So guys, look what I found. I was able to get like a 70K scope, but it's still not working. But just to give you an idea what it looks like inside it. This has just been, the motherboard has been taken out, but we can see what it looks like inside it. So this is a 70K scope, and it's not working. However, we're just going to see how it looks like to take it apart. Just keep watching. Thank you. Okay, this is 70K. It's already been used. Take the front cover off. And next step is there is screws here because this one's already been used. And there's a screws in here to hold this in here. You take the screws off. You'll be able to release this. You release this one. Take this apart, and you're able to remove the whole drum. Next step is there's multiple screws because this has already been taken apart. So there is multiple screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. You take them on the top. There's a couple in here. You take them. Same thing with the other side. From the back too, there's actually multiple ones. You take the feet off so you can release this cover. And then once you take the feet off, you do the same thing on this side. It's multiple screws. You take the handle off, and then you'll be able to release this. Take the top cover off, just remove it. You go to the bottom cover off. Just put it upside down. And then you put the bottom cover off. Slide it out. And next step is, let's see what's inside. Let's open it, see what's inside. So this has already been taken off right here, so it's already open, but this is the screws right here with the star mark on it. This is where you take all the screws, and from the side as well. You'll be able to take the top cover off. Once you take the top cover off, you'll be able to see what's inside in here. So what's inside in here, let me show you. Somebody took already the motherboard. So any 70Ks, non-MSO module. So this is 70K, does not have any MSO module. If it has MSO, it will be in here. And then when you have the MSO in here, that means you have the MSO module in here. So there's like another box that plugs in here. However, if you look in here, this is just a power supply, and this is the one that holds up the backbone board. This is the backbone board. It holds up like this. And there is a motherboard just in here. This is the main motherboard right here. That's like your computer system motherboard, but it's already been taken off. And this is a power supply right here. It's connected to this. This is the power distribution board right here. And this is a drive, like the DVD drive you have in here, connects to your motherboard. This is in here in the back side. If you look, you have the hard drive right here. This is the backbone board that you're taking it from here, and this is how it looks like. To take this apart is pretty easy. If you want to remove the whole top off to get access to the power distribution board, you just start removing the power supply. You take these screws off right here, and you'll be able to show you. So let's continue doing this. Remove the hard drive. Once you get the hard drive out, you should be able to remove this one. You take this off right here, and then you start removing the backbone board. So the backbone board has like a big stick in here. You keep pushing it like this, and then you should be able to remove the backbone board like this. It's pretty easy. And there's the screws in here. You need to remove the screws first. This is how you take the backbone board out. And then once you take the backbone board out, you should be able to take the power supply out too. Power supply is pretty easy. You have to unhook it from here, guys. Just okay, just look into the view. You have to unhook it from here. and remove the power supply from here. Typically with a backbone board, this is already in here next to it to snug it in. Just make sure you remove this one first, and then you take the backbone board out. Once again guys, you organize your screws, because this one has so many screws, and if you don't organize your screws very well, you can just mess them up. And there's different sizes for each screw. And this is how you push it out. This is how you take the power supply out. So you take the power supply out. Now you have a full access to your power distribution board, where you can take all the screws off from here. This is how you have a full access to your power distribution. If you look, you can see you can just take it off from here. And this is also how you change your side fans. Like if you have a side fan right here, yeah, this is for the side fan, and this is how the power distribution board, just unscrew from here easily, then you're able to remove the power distribution board. Let's get into the acquisition board. That's how it looks like inside. Just keep in mind there used to be a motherboard in here, and it was where you're taking out the motherboard, just regular motherboard. And this is a side fan tray. You take it from here, you're able to remove it, and this is a cable for it, and that's how you replace the side tray. If you need it in details, just let me know guys. In here, front panel, you can change it just by taking all these screws off. I'll show you. I can take it off for you guys. Let's put this one in here inside, and then we'll take the front panel and then one more screw on the side. There's one more screw on the side, guys. And here it is. This is how you take it apart. You take the front panel, and they're already locked in. You just take this off, this cable off. And this is how you, if you want to replace the front panel by itself, if you want to replace the keypad by itself, this is the keypad. This is the LCD. I'm sorry, this is the LCD. This is a totally foreign panel right here. This is the LCD for it. So put it back together this way. You snug it in here. You put it, tilt it a little bit. You tilt it a little bit, and you just make sure this one connects back in here. sure it aligns very well. And this is how you get it in here. Put the screws back. And also make sure you don't snug them all the way in until you get it all aligned up. Or you torque them all the way in. I am done with this top right here. We'll finish it real quick. I don't need to put all the screw in there because it's just a used unit and then it's not going to be working. It's missing parts anyway. Just hold it in here a little bit. Get some of the screws in there, the top I go to the main part, was the acquisition board. So we're gonna look at the acquisition board, guys. So it's pretty heavy. Be mindful when you take this because it's pretty heavy. Now this is acquisition board to get access to it. And this is the second portion of the scope. The top portion and the bottom portion. This is the bottom portion. We get access to the top portion. So everything in there. This is the bottom portion right here. And this is the most expensive portion. Cover off, and that's how you see the acquisition board. This is a whole acquisition board, how it looks like, and this is the most expensive part of the scope. And then how you take it apart, if you need to take it apart, you start just to isolate it from the scope. And this is how you take it. And this is how you take the main acquisition board apart. That if you need to take any more things apart, and then you just move it from this forward, from this point forward, like this is a relay tray in here, and you can take it also off if it's damaged, or if you have some other damages or failures and you need to change this relay tray, where it's actually connected to your all the inputs, the analog inputs right here, all the front end connectors, and this is what the relay tray is about. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is how you take 70Ks regardless, all the models the same way. 70Ks except for the MSO. You're gonna have another MSO module in here, and MSO module box inside from the top part, and that's all you have. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button and like, so I can post more videos, and please let me know what videos you like to watch next. Thank you.